Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking. As part of our basic series of videos, today I've shown you how to make a basic Yorkshire pudding batter. We've got 100 grams of plain flour, 100 millilitres of whole milk, and 2 large free-range eggs. A bit of shell in there. Just dig this out. Right, we need to combine these ingredients. We need to work this so all the lumps are gone and it's a nice smooth mix. It's starting to get there now. So that's our batter mix, nice and smooth. You need to let this rest for about an hour before you use it, and then just give it another whisk before using. If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.